Today we're going to make a Google form. You want to be in your Drive and click New. Click More, Google Forms. We are making this Google form for our survey project. So the first thing you want to do is title the form. I'm going to add the word demo just so that I know which one it is that I'm doing. Click OK. The next thing I want to make sure that I do is I want to uncheck this box that requires Milpitas Christian Schools login. Click OK. None of these boxes should be checked. I want to make my first question. Are you a student? The reason I'm asking them if they're a student at our school is it helps us to know age range without asking age range. First option is yes, second option is no. Please click Required Question. Click Done. We're going to click the drop-down arrow by Add an Item. And we're going to choose another multiple choice. And this one is, where do you live? We're going to make it a multiple choice because most of our people live in the same area. So San Jose, comma, California. Option 2 is Milpitas. And we are going to add other so that they can fill in the place that they live. This is also a required question. These are the same questions that everybody at the school will have, these first two questions. The next questions can vary depending on what your independent and dependent variable are. The first question that comes is your independent variable. And we're going to click the drop-down arrow. And I'm going to ask a scale. So here I put a scale question. And the question I'm going to put is, I forgot, but I will put something in. Okay, and I'm going to give, I know the question I had before. How stressed do you feel? And I'm going to change the scale to 1 to 10 just to give myself a higher range of numbers. Number 1 being the least stressed, and number 10 being the most stressed. It's helpful to label so that people know exactly what you're doing. And click Required Question. Click Done. My second part of this demo, I'm going to add a question that is a text question, but it has data validation in it. So I'm going to click Text, and I'm going to ask, my hypothesis is if people are stressed, then they're going to drink more caffeine. So my next question is, how many drinks with caffeine you drink a day? And I'm going to have the answer be text, but I'm going to click on Advanced Settings, and I'm going to click Data Validation. So I want a number that is between 0 and, let's say, 20. And then I'm going to put in a custom error text. Please select an amount or then, and make this a required question. This form would be done at this time with these questions. I have a couple more changes I need to make. I want to change the theme. I can choose from a default theme. 7th graders and 6th graders can choose a default theme if needed. I would like to see all of my 8th graders customizing it. You can choose a header image. You can choose the image. I don't know if they'll load. They take a while to load. I could choose a Thanksgiving theme for no reason, but they're right here. Click select. My theme will show up here. I can center it, move it to the side. I can change the way my title looks with different fonts, but I want to still make it readable. I can change the color if needed, and again, still readable. I can change my font color and style of my description, and so on. I can keep customizing every single piece of this. Question, text, text color, help text, text color. Options would be the same, text color, size. Form background is where I can choose a color that would go into this background right here. So you would want to choose something that complements the colors you already have. Page background, I can change the image. I can make it tiled if it's a small image. I can choose an image I already have saved. I can take a snapshot by URL, or I can search. These items that when I search it, they are free to use or share with some modifications. So I could search up something such as leaves, fall leaves, and put it into the background. I'm not going to do that right now because that would take a little bit more time. Okay, so that's customization. I would go back to my edit questions to be able to finish editing my form. The next few steps you're going to do is you're going to uncheck show link to submit another response. You can check publish and show public link to form results if you'd like. You do not have to. You will change the confirmation page. I would like it to say something thanking them for their time. Also, we're going to change the form description, and you're going to put something here about you doing this for your survey project. Okay, I'm completed my form and it's ready to go. So now I'm going to click on send form, and this is the link to share that I'm going to turn in to my teacher so that she can share it with everybody that is available to take your quiz or your survey. So this is the link. You can shorten it if you would like. It just makes it shorter, easier to send. Then you would click done, and you would take that over and turn that into the Google, the Google Classroom or onto the Google site where it belongs. You can view your responses when you get responses, and this will also show you the number of responses that you have got. Okay, thank you. That's Google Forms.